Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offers on ChatGPT. You click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about ChatGPT. Then we will find this page of app info. You click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.